Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Today I had a client bring in this beautiful yellow sapphire, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to show off how it looks inside the GemLightbox, especially with our new Eclipse accessory. So what we'll do is we'll take the sapphire and we'll put it inside the GemLightbox Eclipse. We'll just place it in the center of the turntable, like so, and then we'll close the front cover. I have my iPhone XS with me today, and we have the GemLightbox application open already. The Bluetooth is already connected, so to take the video, all we have to do is open up the camera. As you can see, the color looks really good already. We'll switch to the video camera and we'll tap to focus, and then we can press the red button to record. And as you can see, when it's rotating, you're getting that really nice contrast between the yellow and the black, and it's really bringing out the depth in the stone and showing off that excellent cut. So now we can press save. And that's how the video looks. I hope that this video was helpful. For anyone who is working with colored gemstones, GemLightbox Eclipse is a great addition to the GemLightbox, and it's going to give you that very nice luscious black background, which is really great for bringing out the contrast and cut of the stone. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to message or comment on this video. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.